Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about how to execute JavaScript using external file. It's very easy. Okay, so I created one JavaScript file test.js. JS is the extension, okay, and I just put document.write something I written in that. Okay, now I come to HTML file. Okay, and okay, one more thing we can do here, language JavaScript already selected. Okay, so you see the complete thing. Okay, now I'm doing in script tag. There's a attribute is there, so just you put the file name. Okay, so right now both HTML and JS file at same location, so I just specify the file name only. Otherwise you have to specify complete path and type in JavaScript. And now see, this is just you have to specify the source of JavaScript file. Now just go and run launch in Chrome. See, hello, what is printed. So it's very easy, and it's best way to write all JavaScript code in one file and just use source attribute to get the JavaScript file in HTML file. Otherwise your HTML code will be very big. Okay, thank you.